Hi, I'm pineapple. I contain source of nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B, fiber, and more.
Hello kids, I am lemon. I taste bitter, but during the hot summer, you should drink me more.
I am kiwi. Consume me fresh, frozen, dried, and as a juice. You won't regret it. Grapes have high water content and help you hydrate your kid. Grapes also have a lot of minerals and vitamins.
Hi there!
Hi everyone! Know that I consist many vitamins, minerals and antioxidants and I'm very easy to digest.
Hello friends, I am apple. Did you know that I am very good for cleaning the teeth? Consume me daily and you will have very clean teeth.
Oranges are a good source of many nutrients. The vitamins they consist and the minerals are highly needed by infants and children.
I am a banana. We are the most popular fruit on earth. Banana contains many vitamins that can replace a meal.
Hello kids, do you want to learn colors? Yellow. This is lemon and lemon is yellow. Blue. Dory is blue. Bye bye. Bye Dory. Red. Wow, a rose. Rose is red. Green. Hi Hulk. Hulk is green. Yummy! Orange. A pumpkin. The color of the pumpkin is orange. Purple. A purple butterfly. Bye-bye. Hello, my friends. Here's a sandwich. No, don't eat the sandwich. It's not healthy. Then what should I eat? Eat apple. You still haven't eaten the sandwich. No, I'm very hungry. Here's fries. No, don't eat them. Choose healthy food. The apple is very delicious. Gio, you should eat healthy food. Yeah, Mickey, you're right. Here is a banana for you.
Hello, my friends.
Number 1. Two for you. Wow! Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Wow! 6. I like this number. It's number 7. Two circles make number 8. Number 9. This is number 10.
Bye-bye. A. C.
D.
E.
F.
G.
H.
I. J.
K.
L. M.
Q.
R. S.
T.
U.
V.
W. X. Y.
Z. Millie. Geo.
Hello, my friends.
Hi, Bot. So, kids, today we will learn 3 shapes: triangle, square, and circle. Bot is our friend and he will help us.
This is a triangle.
Now, Bot will show you how a square looks like.
Kids, this is square.
Bot, can you show them how a circle looks like?
This is a circle.
Bye-bye. I am number 1. Three. Four. Five. Nine. Ten. Millie. Geo.
Hello, my friends.
Hi, Bot. These are geometric shapes: triangle, square, and a circle. Let's learn the colors in the triangle. Yellow, blue, green, purple, orange, black, brown, red. Triangle. Let's learn the vegetables and fruits shown in the square.
Lemon is
Yellow,
plum is
blue,
cucumber is
green,
eggplant is
purple,
orange is
orange,
blackberry is
black,
coconut is
brown,
apple is
red. Square. Let us show you the animals in the circle.
duck is
Yellow,
whale is
blue,
frog is
green,
butterfly is
purple,
lion is
orange,
gorilla is
black,
bear is
brown,
lobster is
red. Circle. Bye-bye.
No.
no. Mm-mm. Thank you. Thank you. La 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 la. What is this?
Middle. No, no. Middle. Yes. Middle. No, no. Middle. Hello, my friends. Bye bye.